For those of you who tuned into the episode where I got the 55 Pontiac running, you might want to know that I couldn't get it to stay running because I was having trouble getting the fuel to pump through from the tank. So I decided I would just pull it out of the backyard to the main driveway where I could do a little bit more work on it. Since my wife wasn't comfortable steering it, I decided that as long as I only moved it a few feet at a time, I could go back and adjust the steering. It did get a little scary at times because I couldn't always see it from the driver's seat of my truck. So I would go a little bit and I'd stop, and then I'd go back, take a look, make some adjustments, and then get back in the truck and pull it a bit farther. A squirrel came over to supervise to check and see how it went. Seemed okay to him, so away he goes. I got just a little bit close to the fence here. Good thing I wasn't too worried about scratching the paint, because it's just primer. No worries, a little adjustment and away I go. Watch this. Without anything holding the steering in place, it's starting to straighten itself out. I did have a strap on it to hold it when I wanted it turned tight, but this is what I love about having no glass in the car. I can just reach in through the window and steer. It makes life a little easier, especially with the chopped roof. It's kind of tight quarters to get two arms into that doorway, that window. Back to the truck and give it another little yank, and this should be the final one. And it's out in the driveway. Now I've got room to work on it. Back up, put some slack in the rope, go take a look, make sure I've got nothing else that I've got to worry about back here. Yep, just got to clean up a little bit in the backyard and I'm done. Put it in park, grab the keys, and that's it for tonight. Well, that pulled out easier than I thought it would. And it can sit there for now until I get it to stay running. I'm exhausted now. I'm going inside and sit down and do nothing for the rest of the night.